everyone, today's video is about Kahoot, a new and amazing tool to teach and learn. Technology is changing everything wide world, and the education field is not the exception. Bittner 2002 states that teachers must learn to use technology and must allow it to change their presentation paradigm. As Delos says, with the growing push for technology in classrooms, educators need to consider all of the possibilities and benefits that can be gained through using different resources during their classroom instruction. But the question is, what is Kahoot? According to Byrne, Cross, and Thomas, Kahoot is a student response system that engages students through game-like, pre-made or impromptu quizzes, discussions, and surveys. How to use Kahoot? First, choose a topic. Second, log into Kahoot and choose among three options: quiz, discussion, or survey. After that, add a description and a cover image. Then, add questions and answers. You can also add images and videos. Finally, share the game pin for students to join. In the first picture, you can see how Kahoot quizzes look like, and in the second one, you can see a game pin example. Some of the most outstanding advantages of using Kahoot are: it is freely available for anyone to use it. There are multiple types of Kahoot, for example, quizzes, discussion questions, or surveys. Kahoot is easy to use and it is user-friendly. It is a simple tool as account registration is not needed for students to use it. Students can simply join Kahoot sessions by entering the code given by instructors. It is compatible with smartphones, tablets, or ordinary computers. Moreover, music and colors provide students excitement and energy in class. The response time for each question is flexible and adjustable according to students' needs. These are some disadvantages of the use of Kahoot. 1. Kahoot use led to excessive competition, which invoked negative feelings at times. 2. It is necessary to have internet access and that all students have smartphones or tablets. 3. Students win by being faster, not by only knowing the correct answer. 4. It has only multiple choice items to play. 5. It can only be used in class. There is no chance for students to work with it at home. Most of the studies related to Kahoot show that the deployment of Kahoot enriches the quality of students' learning in the classroom, with the highest influence reported on classroom dynamics, engagement, motivation, and improved learning experience. In case you need further explanation regarding the use of Kahoot, go and watch these videos. Thanks for watching our video. See you next time!